It's Ron back on Ron Brown's YouTube channel. We discuss, all sorts of tech gear, action cameras, pocket cameras, smartphones and drones. And today is a drone video here, and we got a good one for you today. It just came in. Even got a kind of a funny looking Chinese packing slip in the box here, delivered by DHL. Yes, not the usual UPS or FedEx or Amazon, DHL. So with no further ado, let's get this thing on the camera here. Here is the DJI Air 3S, the latest camera drone from DJI, the latest in their action. I mean their Air series of drones is kind of their mid tier between their minis and their full sizes. Their Mavics and their minis. So this thing was just announced last week. It's successor to the Air 3 with some upgrades that people wanted, along with a 1-inch sensor. So this is going to be the kind of the quick and dirty unboxing here, just so we can get things charged up and get out for our first flight. This is a true unboxing. This isn't me putting it back in the box a week later to do the unboxing. It just arrived minutes ago. So with these things, I'm going to show you. DJI has these little green arrows that they put on the cellophane tape there, so you don't have to use a dangerous box cutter like this here. I have this handy just in case. It says to pull it as you can see, it looks like they want me to pull it this way, so it's kind of going to be hard for me to show you this. I just bumped the table there. I'm not going to show you because, again, I can't work that direction. I'll mess it up. Yeah, folks, it just wouldn't work. It just wouldn't pull. DJI, they do this great packaging, but if this asked Apple, that would have pulled off. So I'm going to use the little box cutter to give it a little bit of assistance here. And still, that pulled off. So, epic fail again. I'm just kidding here. Who cares, right? Let's just get the cellophane cut off here. I should have pre-cut the cellophane off, but I just wanted to. I always want to see if that little pull off will work. I mean, sometimes it does, but most of the time it doesn't. Now, it does work. That little arrow does work on other products, including Apple's products. I'm not sponsored by Apple. I don't own Apple stock. I don't get 1 cent from Apple, but they see the work though. So let's get rid of this cellophane tape. Let's put it someplace where it won't blow all over. We're in the great outdoors here. It's still, it's middle, late October here at the Jersey Shore, but it's still kind of like summertime weather. So, Indian summer, people, that's the best known secret. Nobody knows that it still stays warm at the Jersey Shore way into the fall, whatever, even though everybody goes home at Labor Day. But on to the unboxing. So this is the Fly More combo with the RC2 controller, the one with the screen. Also comes with a 3-battery hub, a case, extra props. I believe this time around it may even come with the ND filters. We're about to find out in a second here. So let's figure out how to get this open. Okay, here, this top part here. I still don't think I got all the tape off. There we go. Still was a little bit of tape on there. Okay. So I'm going to show you what's inside here now. It has this little orange label up here kind of telling you to scan it. And there's the bag here. I think this orange label is just telling you the QR code to install the DJI flap before you install. I already have a DJI drone, so I have the flap already. Now watch a tutorial and user manual. So if you don't want to read the user manual, it comes in here with the small print. There's the code to get one that is easily readable. Okay, so we're going to pull this case out. I'm going to do it this way. There we go. That's everything that's in the box here. As you can see here, we can get rid of the box now, put that to the side. And this case looks very familiar with the case that came out with the Air 3. I think this is the first time they kind of came out with a case like this. Like I'm going to call it a shoulder bag case. It almost looks like a camera bag, case. And this is the second one. Well, again, I think it's the first one. So of course it has like a strap here, right there. We'll put that thing back on the box, that kind of holder. So there's the strap. Looks like it has like a little, kind of fact tie type of thing that you see on a fancy bag like this. So we'll just kind of leave that on for now. I don't have a pair of scissors here. Okay, so here's the same type of clasp in the front here that we got on. I think the same exact case last year. So you pull that down, pull that over. And there you go. There's your contents there. Everything's in the bags, of course, from DJI. So it's something on top here. Here looks like a whole bag of extra props here. I've seen other people's unboxing. It seems like you get 2.5 sets of extra props. That's like 10 props. You get like, you need 4 for each set and then 2 extra. So plenty of extra props. I'm not going to waste time. You've all seen extra props or whatever. I've already told you it's 10 in this bag here. So, nothing to see here, folks. Here is, now I don't know what this is here. Now we're going to unbag this guy here. This is something new here. Oh, here is our ND filters. It's a little sticker showing you how to open the case in the back there. Yes, look, here is the ND filters here. Look at those nice looking filters here. We have a, looks like we have a 8, a 32, and a 128. So kind of the main ones you really need here. I mean, I'm sure before you know, Freewell will have a mega pack out where you have, 100 ND filters, but most people can probably get by with these 3, unless you need a specialized one for something. The case is very nice, kind of compact, so we'll put that over here. That's good to see here. Here is the drone itself here, the new Air 3S in the traditional plastic bag here with the glue on this end here. See if I can get this open here. If we got the glue off the bag here, here's the drone itself. We'll put these bags in the boxes here so we don't get too much trash going on here. Just off the top of my head, head here, it looks very similar to the Air 3. It comes without propellers on. I thought I remember no wonder you get all these extra props because you don't even get a set on the drone or whatever. I thought it came with the props last time around, but maybe I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. So, it unfolds kind of just like the other one here. Again, it's easy to do this without the props on. Here's this gimbal guard here. Let's see if we can figure out how to get this off. It says here got a little thing at the bottom what to do. And it's coming off extra hard the first time because it has that piece of foam in there. Here's the piece of foam up that everybody forgets to take off. A lot of people think you need it. I'm not saying you do, you don't or whatever. It says, please remove the foam and sticker before use. So I do not see a sticker. I'm going to throw the foam in the box. Yeah, I don't see a sticker in here anyplace. So I don't know if they were talking about that sticker on there. Anyhow, they probably mean the sticker on here. Okay, so there you go. Look, the camera looks, the camera and the gimbal look bigger this time than it did on the Air 3. Maybe that's because you get the 1-inch sensor this time. The bigger sensor leads in more low light, takes in more data. So yeah, so that's it's definitely different than last time. Definitely bigger. Some people worry about it sticking out, and the old one kind of stuck out too. So whatever. Sensors look the same, front, back, bottom sensors. So that all kind of looks the same. So I don't really notice anything different. The USB-C and memory card port are in the back here, just like the last time. So very, very similar drone. Whether it's the same exact shell from the Air 3, I don't know. They'll probably never tell us, but it looks very similar. What you see different here is a LiDAR sensor, on the front there. Of course, that wasn't on the old drone at all. It comes with 1 battery here, and it looks like it has a, charges up. You can see a couple lights go there. Same exact method of removing the battery here. It looks almost exactly the same as the other battery. It has more amps in it than the other battery, but you get a little less flight time because this drone has more, things going on as far as LiDAR sensors and technology and what have you, bigger sensors. So, yeah, that's it on the drone here. We'll get the propellers on in a few minutes. We'll put the drone to the side here as well here. Let's see here. Here we got we got the RC2 controller here. You guys probably have all seen it. Same exact controller that came, in the package with the last drone here. Same controller, antennas on the top here. The sticks are stored up in the back here. You see them right there. Double scroll wheels, which is nice. The RCN2s or 3 only has 1 scroll wheel. Very, very nice. Has a USB-C port at the bottom and a memory card port down there. So yeah, you still see this controller here, extra function buttons out back here. So I won't spend a lot of time on the controller's been out, you know, more than a year now. Here is the battery hub here. Oops, that case is falling off now. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, the battery hub, which looks exactly the same as the one that came last year. 2 batteries in the hub, 1 in the drone for a set of 3. Has a release button on the bottom when you want to release a battery out of there. On the side here, it has a USB-C port for charging, and then a kind of an on-off button if you want to use this as a power bank. You know, you can charge your cell phone or something like that, or you can put all 3 batteries in with some remaining charge on it. You can hit that button. It's kind of like a double tap. Maybe it's the short long press, and then it goes into a mode where it transfers all remaining battery power to the one battery that has the most left. So maybe if you have 3 batteries at maybe 30% or whatever, you can do that charge them up and get like a 90% full battery for another possible flight in the field. So good feature to have. I haven't used it much, but it does come in handy when you need it here. So I don't know if you can see this here. You know, it has the 2 dividers there, but look at the slot it has for the the cushioning thing for the drone there on this side here. Much more sophisticated than the last time around. It kind of even comes out, but so that even makes it handier. So you know you can take that out, put the drone in, or just stick it down there. A lot of people don't know it has an extra pouch in there. You could probably even get a small tablet in there, like an iPad Mini. Sorry, I'm touching my mic here. I hope I didn't make any bad noises. And yeah, so there, and of course you have a zipper pocket up there. You know, and you got some information in here. You have the booklets and so on, a silicone gel thing to keep the humidity down. I'm not going to open these up here. If I'm going to read any manuals, I'm going to do it with a QR code, read it online. I think you get stickers in here. If you're into stickers, I'm not. And here's a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and data, and another silicone gel thing. So that is it here for the quick and dirty boxing. The DJI Air 3S. Many people thought it was going to have trouble clearing customs at the border here in the U.S. because Candona Original Dobu had an issue where his review unit wouldn't come through customs. I don't know if any other ones did, but he made a couple of videos about it, so we were kind of all worried this week. But it looks like at least this is not an issue, because I know of a couple other people, people who purchased theirs and received it today already with no issues. So let's hope everybody is able to receive theirs this week without any, customs border issues with DJI. And we'll get more into that in another video. And just catch us on a Drone Nation show. We'll talk about that. Drone Nation is a live YouTube show every Monday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Myself, Ron Brown, Marcus Crawford, DeMarco Moore, and many guest stars up here in the show talking about the latest news, issues, and not good issues and bad issues in the drone industry here. So always got something to talk about at Monday night. So that's it, folks. Just stay tuned for my first flight from this drone. It should be coming up real soon. Hopefully I get it out today here. Get my firmware update done, batteries charged and ready to go here. So of course there'll be a whole series of videos on this drone. On paper, it doesn't seem like a major upgrade from the Air 3. So if you have the Air 3 and you don't know whether to upgrade or not, it's going to be a tough call. I don't think any one feature in this Air 3S warrants the upgrade, but everything combined make it a solid upgrade. You can always you can probably still get a decent price for your old Air 3 online. So it's kind of just like trading in your old car. But anyhow, that's it, folks. I will put links down below to purchase an Air 3S. It's hard to get right now. I think the only place you can get it is off the DJI website themselves. I haven't seen it on Amazon or Best Buy or anything like that yet. So may not be many links, but you can always get it from DJI.com. I think if you order today, it'll ship today. So I'll have to get more videos, full review, everything coming up real soon. First flight come up real soon. So folks, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member. Ring the bell so you know when I put out more Air 3S videos and other drone and tech related videos. And that's it for today, and we will see you on the next one, folks.